Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to prevent spam form submissions in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools and features. After you've logged in and your dashboard has loaded, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with various options listed there. Look for the option labeled Marketing and click on it. This will expand a submenu showing you different marketing tools available within HubSpot. From this expanded menu, click on Forms. This is where all your existing forms are stored and where you can manage their settings and security features. Once you're in the Forms section, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created for your website or landing pages. Browse through your forms and hover your mouse over the specific form where you want to add spam protection. When you hover over it, you'll notice an Edit button appears. Go ahead and click Edit to open the form editor. This is where you'll be able to modify the form's structure and add new security elements. Now that you're inside the form editor, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see various form elements and options. You'll notice a plus icon there, which is used to add new fields or elements to your form. Click on this plus icon to reveal all the available options you can add to your form. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear showing different categories of form elements. Scroll down through these options until you find a section labeled Other. This section contains additional form elements that don't fit into the standard field categories. Click on Other to expand this section and see what's available inside. Within the Other section, you'll see several options, but the one you're looking for is reCAPTCHA. This is Google's powerful spam prevention tool that helps verify that real humans are submitting your forms rather than automated bots. Click on reCAPTCHA to add it to your form. This simple addition will significantly reduce the number of spam submissions you receive. Once you've added the reCAPTCHA element to your form, you need to save your changes to make sure they take effect. Look at the top of the screen where you'll find a Save button. Click Save to finalize your changes and activate the spam protection on your form. And that's it. You've successfully added reCAPTCHA spam protection to your HubSpot form, which will help keep your submissions legitimate and save you time sorting through fake entries. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.